Hey everyone, welcome back to ACT Math Quick Hits, where you can make this one small change and watch these videos. It doesn't cost you any money, only costs you a little bit of time, and you're going to help improve your ACT math score, which will help improve your overall ACT score. So there's the rundown of the math section of the ACT, and let's get back into it for today. All right, so it tells us the vertex angle of an isosceles triangle is 40 degrees. What is the measure of a base angle? Right? So it just wants one of the base angles. So let's draw this out, take a look at what this looks like. So a lot of vocabulary going on in here, talking about the vertex angle. I don't know if I've ever even used that terminology in my class, but basically what that just means is it just means one of like the angle, we could call it like the angle at the top is 40 degrees. And what we're looking for is we're looking at for the base angle. So the vertex angle, I guess, is where the two equal sides intersect each other to make that angle up there. So we got to remember about an isosceles triangle. You know, maybe you had a math teacher somewhere tell you that like isosceles means it has two sides that are the same, which means it has two angles that are the same, right? Isosceles, like you have two eyes, so that you have two angles and, you know, two sides that are congruent. So we have to know that the sum of the angles, or the sum of the interior angles of a triangle, add up to 180 degrees. And so what we know is that this angle and this angle both have to be the same, so I'll just call them x. So x plus x would give us 2x, and then plus 40, right? So all these things need to add up to 180 degrees. So we can just solve this equation here, subtract 40 from both sides. We get 140 equals 2x, and then divide both sides by 2, and x is going to be 70 degrees. Oh, that's a degree sign there. Right, which is choice B. Now careful, because notice choice D has 140 degrees. Like a lot of times on the ACT, they'll show, you know, they'll have an answer choice that's, you know, part of the way to get to the correct answer, right? So like when we subtract that 40, we got 140. You know, you're taking a test, you're stressed, you know, there's a time limit, and you see 140, and you have 140, and so you just select that one. So just don't fall into that trap, and you will be okay. Right, so we said 70 degrees. All right, so thanks for watching, everyone. I know that ACT prep isn't the most exciting thing out there. Remember, we're just here to learn some math, learn about the ACT, learn a Desmos hack when we can. Your future self is going to appreciate it if you like and subscribe. That way you keep getting these quick hits and help improve your ACT math score. Thanks again, everyone.